Would you believe if I tell you that the 3D denomination found on the lower right side of this Philippine banknote, which is part of the vertical clear window, this 1000 right here, has 29 more 1000s microprinted on them. But we can only see them using the microscope. I've tried viewing the microprint of this banknote and found a lot of them on many different locations. Some microprints can be seen by the naked eye, although most can't be read. Others can easily be viewed using a smartphone and zooming in or using the phone's macro camera. But even the most expensive phones couldn't capture the 29 microprints I've mentioned. So here we are. This is the 3D denomination. And let's start with the first digit. The number 1 has 5 1000s around it, and each of the 3 zeros have 8 1000s around them printed on the same spots. But those aren't all. There are actually 11 more 1000s, and they are found around the BSP logo in the vertical clear window. So yes, a total of 40 of these hidden microprints. This banknote has so many security features which makes it super hard to counterfeit. You'll never be a victim of counterfeiting if you know the security features of genuine money. So make sure you subscribe to know more about some hidden security features of genuine banknotes and even coins. Thanks for watching.